My reading for the sign of Aries for the next 2 weeks of month of July. So let's start. So what's happening in right now we have Six of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. So you might have got some news about someone who was literally breadcrumbing you. Some of you could have left in third party. If you guys were a part of a third party, I see you guys cutting your ties from this person. Someone in the past was definitely breadcrumbing you, and you have left that. Okay, so that's something is possibly expect for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, with Four of Pentacles, I believe you guys are still going to hold back. You guys are upset. Yes, you guys are upset over something that did not work or did not go your way. Okay, I see you holding on. I do not see you completely letting go. Wanting to take action, any sort of action. No, I do not see Aries doing anything for the next 2 weeks in terms of if you're a cross watch and you're waiting for an Aries to take action towards you, darling. You could still be dreaming. I do not see that happening. Okay. Yeah, with Five of Cups, you guys do miss this person, Aries, but this person was breadcrumbing you, did not give you anything, like wasn't really wanting to give you anything. Okay, so yeah, that's being said, let's start now. So what's coming towards Aries for the next 2 weeks? What's going to come towards Aries for the next 2 weeks? This was your current situation, so let's see what's coming your way the next 2 weeks. What new, Spirit? What's the overall situation going to be like for Aries for the next 2 weeks? With the Sun card, I do see happiness coming in. Some of you guys are finally going to let go of something that was hurting you or holding you back. With the High Priestess, in the past, you guys were not really speaking up about this thing. Right now, you might be finally seeing it for what it is. Certain things were hidden from you in the past, but with the Sun card, you have a bright view of everything that's happening around you now. I do not see you holding back or like completely wanting to stay where you want to stay. In a very third party situation. You guys might have already got the news if someone was cheating you or lying to you. With the Sun card, I see you literally liberating yourself, like literally freeing yourself from something that was messy. Okay, unneeded. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, you're going to just hold on to yourself, like you guys are going to be very protective of yourself, not wanting to get into situations which are going to lead to further heartbreak. Okay, so that's that. So overall, one card for what's the overall energy going to be like for Aries for the next 2 weeks? What's the overall energy going to be like for Aries for the next 2 weeks? One card for what's the overall energy going to be for Aries for the next 2 weeks? With King of Cups, I see you wanting to follow your dreams, your goals, okay, whatever you truly want in life. Okay, I see you going after that. In the past, you could be holding back from your true purpose in life, or what you truly wanted, your goals, your dreams. Now I see you wanting to go after it, wanting to follow your intuition, wanting to go after everything that makes you happy. Okay, I'm not saying about people here. I feel you are going after your dreams here. It's not something romantic over here. Okay, so I do feel your overall situation, you're going to be content with yourself. You won't really want someone to make you happy or anything. I see you being happy by yourself. That's the truth. Okay, so yeah, what's the overall energy going to be like between Aries and their soulmate for the next 2 weeks? Or what's the overall energy going to be like for Aries and their soulmate for the next 2 weeks? One card for that. With the Lovers card, I do feel for many of you, this might be a new person again, like you have just met this person for the past few months, or you guys are going to be in a romantic connection. If it's not the past person, then I see a new person. Okay, I see you having someone you love. The King of Cups could also be signifying that you guys will be in a romantic connection the next 2 weeks. If you were a part of a third party, you have already left that behind with Ace of Swords and the Sun card. You have literally cut that out and you're moving forward in life towards happiness. Okay, so for the next 2 weeks, I do see you being in a romantic connection. However, okay, so one card for what is soulmate's energy going to be like towards Aries? What Aries soulmate's energy going to be like towards Aries? This person, for some of you, might be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or possibly a Gemini. This person does have certain regrets with what they have done to you in the past. They could have not really wanted to change or something, but right now I see them wanting to message you, communicate with you, be around you, but they certainly do have regrets. Even if it's a new person, they might have done something or said something, or they were not really wanting to change with the death card. Or for some of you, certain few of you, this person could have just walked away and they just dropped you out of nowhere. And I do see this person communicating now, possibly even apologizing for the things that they have said and done to you. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. Their true intentions towards Aries, please. We have the Page of Pentacles. So this person does want to start something with you. They are very much wanting to open up. They are very much wanting to offer you something. Okay, this could also be communication starting with wanting something new with you. Okay, with Two of Swords, in the past I do not see them having any expectations from this relationships. They were not really in this relationship for a possible outcome. They were just wanting to go with the flow. But right now I see this person wanting to start something and have something with you. A small tangible offer, but it's still an offer. Okay, so one card for what action they want to take towards you now. This person wants to reunite. In the past, this person could have friend zoned you and you did not like the way they were treating you. But right now, I do feel like they are going to choose you. If they were not so serious about you, I see them choosing you and wanting to be with you and uniting with you. Okay, with Page of Wands, this person will communicate. In the past, they were juggling between you and someone else. It will be you and your work as well. But right now, I see them choosing you, wanting to start something with you, very much wanting to move forward. Okay, a very positive reading here. So one card for what can Aries possibly expect from their person now. What can Aries truly expect from their person now? One card for what can Aries truly expect from their person now. Yeah, with the Emperor card, this person will take control. This person will see to it that things get normal or things are fixed between the two of you. Okay, I do see them taking action and wanting to take that leap of faith or jump towards you now. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for Aries soulmates current feelings towards Aries. Aries soulmates current feelings towards Aries. Currently they are very much sexually interested in you, very attracted to you. They want to start something as soon as possible. A very passionate connection that you both share. Okay, for few of you, this person could have fire in their chart. Doesn't have to be, but in the past they were breadcrumbing you, not really giving you anything or not really giving you what you truly deserved, literally keeping you at the sides. Okay, for certain few of you, it was a third party situation. They were confused between you and someone else. If it's not a person, then it could be their work life or their family. Okay, right now with Queen of Cups, I do see them wanting to open up, wanting to start something, wanting to move forward, so that you guys can come back and start a relationship all over again. Okay, so one card for how do they truly feel for you when they think of you, when they miss you. One card for how do they truly feel for you when they think of you or when they miss you. Many of you guys might be in relationship this coming month. If you guys haven't been, if you guys were single for the past many months, I see you guys being in a relationship in the month of July. Okay, so a very romantic month ahead, darling. Yeah, with King of Wands, they are very much passionate about you, very much interested in you, very much wanting to take action. It's not a card where someone who, thinking of taking action. They will take action. Okay, with Five of Swords in the past, they could have no, they were playing with your mind. They were manipulating you. Things were happening. They were saying things which was hurting you. Okay, but right now I see them wanting to heal the connection, fix the connection, wanting to get back with you. Okay, so one card for where this is moving forward now. One card for where this is moving forward for Aries and their soulmate. Where this is possibly moving forward with Aries and their soulmate. Some of you might be dealing with a fellow fire sign or someone who has fire in their chart. Okay, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Okay, some of you it could also be a Taurus. Okay, yeah, with Eight of Wands, I do feel there is going to be communication. So July for many of you guys, like many signs I've read, July is going to be good. I see communication coming in. Okay, with King of Swords, some of you might speak the truth with each other, how you truly feel, what you truly want. Okay, so one card for what does this person truly want from you now? What does this person truly want from you? One card for what does this person truly want from Aries now? They want to speak their truth. They want to communicate. They want to start communication if communication isn't happening. Okay, they also want you to give them attention. Okay, but majorly I see them wanting to start communication with you. Okay, so one card for what was holding them back, or what was the main blockage in the connection, if we may know, spirit, what was the main blockage in the connection? Blockage was this person was holding back. They were hiding things from you. They could also be breadcrumbing you. They were not treating you the way you deserve to be treated. Okay, and they were keeping many things hidden from you which you did not like. Okay, right now with Queen of Cups, I do see them coming forward and being very nurturing and caring towards you. So let's take love messages from your person now. So far so good. Love messages from Aries soulmate to Aries now. Give me two messages, spirit. Secret messages from Aries soulmate to Aries now. I fear you don't need me anymore. So they fear you moving on or just dropping them and just walking away. Okay. One more card. I want to make things right. Okay, in the past I am unsure about this. So in the past they were unsure about this, but right now I want to make things right with you. I fear you don't need me anymore. So these are the two cards we have for you. So yes, this was your reading for the sign of Aries, darling. So if this really resonated with you, please consider hitting the like button. It greatly helps my channel, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you soon, guys. Thanks for coming in. Cheers.